Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo of the smart notification feature of this wearable. So we will try and demo some of the apps. So we'll test it with our Viber here, the Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp application, and we'll also have the SMS. This will be a two-part video. So the first video is all about the Instagram and Messenger, and on our second video we'll have a demo of the Viber, WhatsApp application, and SMS or text messages. So if you are interested to see the push notification feature of our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, watch this video, and again support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the push notification feature of our Atmos Fit Drift 2X. So before we demo the apps, let's go first with our support app. Let's check if we already set the options or the settings for our push notification. So we have here the call reminder. So I'm looking for the smart notification device settings. Let's see. We have an ad here. So we have the message notification. Let's select this one. Then we have SMS reminder. What else do we have here? WhatsApp application, Instagram, Messenger. Do we have a Viber? Yes, we have. And let's also set the other. Let's disable this one. Telegram. Again, going back. Let's disable some of the apps here. X, Snapchat, Telegram, Skype. This one also. Okay, then turn this on. Okay, seems like everything is okay. Confirm. So everything is set now. Then let's see. Settings in our smartwatch. Let's check. Let's go with our settings. We have notice here. Red dot reminder, we'll disable it one. Light up the screen. Okay, notification prompt. Then hide notification contents. No, we'll not hide the information. Okay, these two is okay. Okay, so it is now set. Alright, so we have here our other smartphone. So let's try first. Let's have a demo with our Facebook Messenger. So let's send a message to Cindy. So let's say hello. We'll also test if it has support for emoji and the number of characters. So we do have here hello. Can we receive a message? Again, hi. Yes, we do have it here. Okay, we'll dismiss. Let's see if we can read it here. So where's our message? And we have it here. Hi. So we have a logo, name of the sender, and the message. You have an option to delete the messages. It's clear. Okay, next. Let's try the emoji. Do we have a support for emoji? Okay, view. Okay, we don't have a support for emoji, as you can see here. It's blank. Okay, then delete. Next, let's check the number of characters here. Copy. Then let's send. Okay, next, dismiss. We have here the quick brown fox. So we do have a scrolling feature here, and worldwide, as you can see, until the worldwide here. So we do have at least 2 sentences for the messages. I think it is just okay. Okay, next, let's try to call. It's now calling. And call. Okay, so seems like we can receive calls here on our smartwatch. Okay, so we do have some notifications about the missed call. So let's try it again and let's see if we can answer the call here. Okay, seems like we do have an option to answer the call. Again, calling. And we have it here. So let's try to answer. Hello. Bye. Okay, so we do have some feedback, but as you can see, very loud speaker, and you can answer the call here directly on the smartwatch. Okay, so very good feature for our Atmos Fit Drift 2X when it comes to the Facebook Messenger support. You can answer the call on the wearable. Next, let's have the Instagram. So we are done with the Facebook. Everything works. So let's send a message here. So let's send a message to Cindy. Let's say hello. Message sent. Seems like it's yes, we do have it here. We don't have a personalized logo for our, or we don't have the logo here of our Instagram, but instead we do have a generic logo for the Instagram, as you can see here. Again, send hi, and as you can see, we have the message, but it works. The notification works for Instagram. Next, let's have a call. It's ringing. And call. Okay, let's see if we do have a notification. Yes, we do have an audio call here from Instagram. So it works with Instagram also, although you cannot answer the call here on the smartwatch. Just notification. For the calls, option to answer calls only available here for our Facebook Messenger. Okay, so that's it for our demo with the Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch push notification, particularly the Facebook Messenger and our Instagram application. On our next video, we'll have a demo for Viber, WhatsApp application, as well as text messages. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.